A top geriatric surgeon just went on record saying a single category of ancestral nutrition can activate muscle repair at a rate 3.0 times more effectively than a standard steak after the age of 70. Here's the truth no one tells you about getting older. At 75, your digestion is a completely different machine than it was at 55. Your stomach produces less acid. Your pancreas secretes fewer enzymes. The intricate system that breaks down a piece of chicken into usable fuel is working with only a fraction of its former power. This is why simply eating more meat often backfires, leading to bloating, inflammation, and weight gain instead of strength. Science calls this phenomenon anabolic resistance. It's a fancy term for a simple problem. Your muscles have stopped listening to the protein you feed them. You could eat a massive portion of lean protein, feel stuffed for hours, and yet, at the microscopic level, your muscle fibers never get the signal to rebuild. The nutrients just pass through, or worse, get stored as fat. But here is where it gets fascinating. Researchers studying longevity hotspots, the so-called blue zones, discovered that traditional cultures instinctively solved this problem. They weren't eating high-protein shakes or massive amounts of lean meat. They were eating foods packed with specific compounds that bypass this anabolic resistance entirely. These compounds act like a key, unlocking the cell's ability to hear the protein signal again. In recent clinical trials, when seniors switched to these foods, their markers for muscle protein synthesis didn't just double, they tripled compared to a meat-only control group. The effects rippled through their entire system. Sharper cognition, deeper sleep, and stable energy all day. This isn't about demonizing meat, it's about upgrading your strategy. After a certain age, your body doesn't respond to sheer volume. It responds to intelligence, to bioavailability, to precision. Strength after 70 isn't about how much you eat, but how much your body actually keeps. In this video, I'm going to break down 4 specific, time-tested foods that clinical data shows outperform modern high-meat diets for preserving muscle, protecting your joints, and keeping your mind sharp. We're counting them down from good to absolutely life-changing. Before we get to number 1, I need to hear from you. Drop your current age in the comments right now. And tell me honestly, do you feel like the food you're eating is actually keeping you strong? Or are you just eating out of habit? My team and I are reading every single response, and we're going to personally reply to as many as we can. Think of it as a free consultation happening right here in the community. Let's start with the 4th most powerful food. Number 4 is fermented soybean paste, specifically a high-quality miso. Now, why does this make the list? Fermentation is nature's pre-digestion. The beneficial bacteria in miso have already broken down the complex soy proteins into short-chain peptides and free amino acids. For an aging digestive tract with low enzyme output, this is like getting room service instead of having to cook. A 2020 study in the journal Nutrients confirmed that fermented soy significantly enhances protein digestibility and the absorption of essential amino acids in older populations. Plus, it's a potent source of vitamin K2, the nutrient that directs calcium away from your arteries and into your bones, where it actually belongs. Number 3 is something your grandmother probably had simmering on the stove. Bone broth made from grass-fed marrow and joints. I'm not talking about the powdered cubes from the store. I'm talking about real stock, simmered for a full 24 to 48 hours. This slow extraction pulls out collagen peptides, glucosamine, and chondroitin sulfate. A pivotal study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that supplementing with collagen peptides led to significant improvements in muscle mass and strength in sarcopenic elderly men. After 70, muscle weakness is often a connective tissue problem first. Bone broth rebuilds the scaffolding that holds your muscle fibers together. You can't build muscle on a broken foundation. Now, number 2 is the food that genuinely shocked the researchers I spoke with. It's small, it's humble, and it's incredibly dense. I'm talking about whole sardines with the bones included. This is the most complete anti-inflammatory muscle-building package available. You get high-quality animal protein, massive omega-3 fatty acids, EPA, DHA, and crucially, highly absorbable calcium from the soft, edible bones. A landmark paper in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that omega-3 South directly stimulate the mTOR pathway, that's the master switch for muscle growth in older adults. Meat alone gives you protein. Sardines give you protein plus the anti-inflammatory fats that allow that protein to actually be utilized without being blocked by chronic, low-grade inflammation. Which brings us to number 1. The most powerful food for anyone over 70 isn't a protein at all. It's dark leafy greens, but only if you prepare them the right way. Here is the critical mistake. Most seniors eat a plain salad with fat-free dressing, or they steam spinach and eat it plain. This is practically useless. The vitamins in greens are, and especially K, are fat-soluble. If you don't eat them with a healthy fat, you absorb almost nothing. A study in the Journal of Nutrition showed that adding a source of fat to vegetables increases the absorption of these vitamins by 400% to 600%. But the magic doesn't stop there. These greens are also rich in dietary nitrates, which the body converts to nitric oxide. This compound relaxes blood vessels, dramatically improving circulation. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients get to your muscles and your brain. It's the ultimate delivery system. So here is your action plan. If you're over 70 or you're caring for a parent who is, stop obsessing over grams of protein. Start obsessing over absorption. Which of these 4 foods are you already eating? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more science-backed tools to stay strong and independent, make sure to subscribe to Healthy Lifestyle and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next video. If this information helped you, please smash that like button. It tells the algorithm to show this to other people who need to hear it. I'll see you in the next one.